Ladies and gentlemen, what does $1.1 million get you in Albuquerque, New Mexico? This property right here, courtesy listing of a couple of my colleagues. They are in Vegas actually right now, so congratulations to them. This is their house that they're listing. Let me turn around the camera. Located in Petroglyph Estates, and the address 6531 Papagayo. This is an awesome new construction. Okay, not that one, that's your neighbor, but just showing you guys a little bit of the neighborhood. Look at that, very nice views of the Sandia Mountains. It's going to be a 3-car garage, 2 on this side, 1 on that side, 4 bedrooms. And this one was actually completed during the pandemic 2020. It's a little bit over 3,000 square feet. So you're gonna see this is a very modern house. Once you come in, very big high ceilings, fireplace. This is a living room. We're gonna do from the right, then we're gonna go all the way to the left. So going to the right, you're gonna have your first shower right here. Very nice accents. You're gonna have your bedroom with the fan. This right here, you're gonna have the really nice garage doors with windows in them. The reason I wanted to go in here is, of course, you're gonna have 2 heating units just because it's such a big house. And you have this to keep your property clean going in from the garage. So that was one side. There, you're gonna see the kitchen very nicely. Everything is absolutely brand new. Very nice backsplash. Gas range, the hood, integrated stainless steel oven and microwave. You're gonna have your island sink right here. And all this is storage space. I know that's very important. You're gonna have your little dining right here. This, I guess you can call it a second living room. I didn't open the blinds. It's actually really pretty today. That you can make a little bar, but yeah, very nice open kitchen. The details on this house are amazing. We'll go out in a little bit. So here is the master bedroom. This is very big. You're gonna have the recessed ceilings, very big, what do you call that? The fan. It also has a fireplace, carpet throughout. This right here is the bathroom. The bathroom, this is actual tile. The one throughout the house is actually vinyl. You're gonna have some really nice finishes here in the backsplash. This right here, the mirrors, and of course you're gonna have your custom jacuzzi for 2 people. And this right here, you're gonna have a walk-in shower. I believe they call these a snail showers. So very nicely done. And then obviously for privacy, you have your own door right there. And this is the walk-in closet. I don't know if you can tell from the actual video, but this is the size of pretty much your average room. You can probably put a twin-size bed in here. It is enormous. So let's make our way outside. The property sits on 1/3 of an acre. So definitely have plenty of space up front, in the back, and okay. Going into the back, big open space. You have this giant fan, very modern looking like. To the right, you're gonna have integrated barbecue pit. So this is great for hosting, obviously, if anybody likes to party, have little get-togethers. This is an awesome place. The gazebo obviously stays. The back is landscaped with artificial turf and natural rock. And of course, to finish it off, you have the bathroom right here so people don't go inside and get your house dirty. That I guess is storage. But yeah, this is what 1.1 gets you here in Albuquerque. Like I said, this one was actually built in 2020. It was finished. All these houses are very beautiful. It does have backyard access. I believe you can park RVs, and there is no HOA, my understanding. I have to double check, but anyway, this is what $1.1 million gets you in Albuquerque.